welcome back. Today we will learn 30 hobbies and some example sentences.
Gardening. Let's plant some seeds in the garden and water the flowers daily.
Gardening.
Cooking. Today, we will chop vegetables and bake a cake together.
Cooking.
Photography. Grab your camera and capture some beautiful photos of the sunset.
Photography.
Cycling. Put on your helmet and let's ride our bikes around the park.
Cycling.
Hiking. Let's explore the forest trail and climb to the top of the hill.
Hiking. Knitting. We can sit by the fireplace and stitch a warm scarf for winter.
Knitting.
Swimming. Dive into the pool and float on your back like a starfish.
Swimming.
Fishing. Cast your fishing line into the lake and try to catch a big fish.
Fishing.
Pottery. Mold the clay with your hands and shape it into a beautiful vase.
Pottery. Dancing. Twirl around the room and sway to the rhythm of the music.
Dancing.
Sewing. Let's cut out some fabric and sew a little pouch for your toys.
Sewing.
Bird watching. Observe the birds in the trees and record how many you can spot.
Bird watching.
Woodworking. Use the tools to carve a wooden boat and sand it until it's smooth.
Woodworking.
Playing music, strum the guitar, and compose a fun tune for us to sing along.
Playing music. Rock climbing. Grip the climbing holds tightly and climb to the top of the wall.
Rock climbing.
Reading. Read your favorite book and annotate it with colorful notes.
Reading.
Running. Put on your sneakers and jog with me to the playground.
Running.
Scrapbooking. Cut out pictures from magazines and design a scrapbook page.
Scrapbooking.
Drawing. Grab your crayons and draw a picture of your favorite animal.
Drawing.
Puzzle solving. Let's work together to solve this jigsaw puzzle and find where all the pieces fit.
Puzzle solving.
Skateboarding. Put on your helmet and let's skate down the sidewalk.
Skateboarding.
Baking. Let's mix the ingredients together and bake some yummy cookies.
Baking.
Origami. Fold the paper carefully to create a cool origami crane.
Origami.
Camping. We'll set up a tent and roast marshmallows by the campfire.
Camping.
Playing board games. Let's roll the dice and move our pieces around the board to see who wins.
Playing board games.
Singing. Sing along to your favorite song and practice hitting all the notes.
Singing.
Building with Lego. Use the Lego bricks to build a castle with towers and a drawbridge.
Building with Lego.
Making crafts. Cut, glue, and decorate to create a fun craft project for your room.
Making crafts.
Playing soccer. Kick the ball and pass it to your teammate to score a goal.
Playing soccer.
Flying a kite. Let's run to the field and fly the kite high up in the sky.
Flying a kite.